In SAFE, lean budget guardrails provide essential boundaries for managing finances in a way that is responsive, strategic, and aligned with the principles of Agile. These guardrails address one of the fundamental challenges of Agile at scale: how to balance decentralized decision-making with the need for financial accountability and alignment with the organization's long-term goals. Lean budget guardrails foster a flexible funding model that empowers Agile release trains to make local decisions while still ensuring that these decisions contribute to the organization's overall strategic objectives. By setting these financial guardrails, SAFE enables organizations to respond to change more effectively, allocate resources efficiently, and ensure that investments deliver measurable value. Guiding Investments by Horizon. The Guiding Investments by Horizon guardrail ensures that resources are allocated in a way that addresses both present needs and future growth. This model uses three horizons to categorize investments. Horizon 1. Core Business Optimization. Horizon 1 focuses on maintaining and enhancing existing products and services. It typically receives the largest percentage of funding, as it represents the foundation of the organization's revenue and customer base. Investments in Horizon 1 include improving current product lines, enhancing customer experience, and responding to incremental market shifts. This horizon helps ensure that the organization's primary revenue streams remain competitive and relevant, meeting current customer expectations. Horizon 2. Adjacent Opportunities and Growth Initiatives. Horizon 2 is dedicated to near-term growth through adjacent innovations or enhancements that expand the current product portfolio. This could include new features that appeal to an emerging customer segment or enhancements that bring an existing product to a new market. This horizon enables teams to capitalize on opportunities that build on core products while helping the organization stay competitive and relevant in the near future. Investments here might involve creating integrations for core products, expanding distribution channels, or adapting a product for a new demographic. Horizon 3. Transformative Innovation. Horizon 3 focuses on high-risk, high-reward projects that explore new markets, disruptive technologies, or business models. This horizon often receives a smaller portion of the budget due to the inherent risk, but it allows the organization to explore revolutionary ideas that can redefine the business. Projects in Horizon 3 often require a strong experimental focus and may include research and development efforts, partnerships with technology firms, or pilot programs for emerging technologies. This allocation creates room for innovation that, while potentially disruptive, positions the organization to adapt to significant market changes. By structuring investments across these horizons, SAFE helps organizations create a balanced portfolio of work. Arts align their initiatives with these horizons, creating a roadmap that drives both immediate and future value. A technology company, for instance, may allocate 70% to Horizon 1 for its existing software platform, 20% to Horizon 2 for new feature expansions, and 10% to Horizon 3 to experiment with artificial intelligence. This guardrail ensures that RTs contribute to both short-term and long-term organizational success. Applying capacity allocation. The capacity allocation guardrail helps Agile teams allocate their time and resources to maintain system health while delivering new features. Without proper allocation, teams may focus solely on feature development, which can lead to technical debt, poor system performance, and unsustainable long-term growth. Capacity allocation for non-functional requirements. Non-functional requirements, or NFRs, are essential for maintaining system quality and performance but are often less visible to customers. NFRs include aspects like security, reliability, scalability, and performance, which all require continuous improvement to prevent technical debt from accumulating. SAFE emphasizes reserving part of each team's capacity to address these needs, ensuring that the product is sustainable and can handle increased demand without degrading in quality. Balancing features with technical debt reduction. Technical debt is the result of shortcuts taken in development, often due to tight deadlines or resource constraints. Left unchecked, technical debt can reduce productivity, introduce bugs, and make future updates more difficult. SAFE's capacity allocation encourages teams to prioritize not just new functionality, but also technical debt reduction, creating a balance that preserves long-term agility and performance. For example, an ART might allocate 60% of capacity to feature development and 40% to technical debt reduction and infrastructure work, ensuring they meet customer demands while protecting system health. Sustaining system compliance and stability. In regulated industries, compliance is non-negotiable. Capacity allocation for compliance work, such as data protection updates, regulatory audits, or cybersecurity enhancements, is essential to avoid legal issues and reputational damage. In sectors like finance or healthcare, SAFE ensures that part of the capacity is devoted to compliance, providing a reliable schedule for updates that meet regulatory standards. This focus on compliance ensures that Agile teams can remain nimble without risking penalties or regulatory setbacks. By establishing a capacity allocation that includes non-functional work, technical debt and compliance requirements, lean budget guardrails protect system quality, enabling RTs to sustain high delivery velocity while minimizing the risk of system failure or performance degradation over time. Approving significant initiatives ensures that large-scale, high-impact projects receive the oversight and strategic alignment needed to succeed. While smaller projects may proceed with local decision-making within RTs, substantial initiatives, often referred to as epics in SAFE, require formal review, approval and sometimes prioritization across the portfolio. Defining epics and approval criteria. In SAFE, epics represent significant investments that affect multiple Agile teams or ARTs. Each epic typically requires a detailed business case that outlines its strategic value, projected costs, and intended outcomes. Before approval, these epics undergo rigorous vetting to ensure they align with the organization's priorities. The threshold for what constitutes an epic can vary, but generally it includes initiatives that either require a large budget or significantly impact business strategy. Value stream mapping for high-impact projects. Value stream mapping is often used in SAFE to assess the anticipated impact of epics. This process identifies how the epic will contribute to the value stream, which is the sequence of activities that deliver value to customers. Value stream analysis enables leadership to identify the most promising epics, prioritize them, and measure their expected return on investment. This ensures that major initiatives support the organization's goals and have a measurable impact on customer outcomes. Stage-gated approvals for strategic flexibility. Significant initiatives are often approved in stages, which allows leadership to reassess progress and value before committing further funds. This stage-gated approach adds flexibility to pivot or stop initiatives if market conditions or customer needs change. For example, an epic might receive initial funding for a pilot phase, with additional funds contingent on the results of that pilot. This approach helps minimize risk and ensures that the organization remains adaptable, investing only in initiatives that prove valuable. Through the structured approval process for significant initiatives, lean budget guardrails empower RTs to take on major projects that align with the organization's strategy without sacrificing agility or incurring unnecessary financial risk. Continuous business owner engagement is essential to maintain alignment between Agile teams and business strategy. Unlike traditional budgeting models, where business stakeholders might be involved only at major checkpoints, SAFE advocates for regular, ongoing involvement from business owners. This helps ensure that Agile release trains are consistently aligned with evolving market needs and organizational priorities. Business owners are actively involved in PI planning sessions, where they communicate strategic objectives, clarify priorities, and help set goals. Their guidance helps RTs understand which features or enhancements are critical to achieving business outcomes. This direct involvement empowers teams to make informed decisions and quickly adapt to shifts in strategic priorities or customer needs. Business owners provide real-time feedback during development, allowing teams to pivot or reprioritize work based on recent customer feedback, competitive changes, or market demands. This continuous feedback loop enhances the organization's responsiveness, enabling teams to course correct without waiting for quarterly reviews. For instance, if a competitor releases a disruptive new feature, business owners can help ARTs immediately prioritize similar work, ensuring the organization remains competitive. Business owners participate in Inspect and Adapt (I&A) events, where they review the progress of the ARTs, assess the outcomes achieved, and refine future priorities. During these sessions, teams demonstrate completed work and gather business owner feedback, which guides the next iteration's priorities and adjustments. This continuous cycle of inspection and adaptation ensures ongoing alignment with strategic objectives, creating a shared sense of accountability for both business and technical stakeholders. By fostering regular interaction between business owners and Agile teams, lean budget guardrails create a partnership that aligns day-to-day activities with high-level strategy, improving responsiveness and ensuring that teams focus on high-value work. Lean budget guardrails in SAFE provide the foundation for a responsive, agile and strategically aligned budgeting process. These guardrails, guiding investments by horizon, applying capacity allocation, approving significant initiatives and continuous business owner engagement, empower ARTs to make informed, decentralized financial decisions that are consistent with organizational priorities. By balancing the needs of today with preparations for the future, promoting system health, rigorously evaluating major investments, and ensuring continuous engagement from business owners, lean budget guardrails enable organizations to remain agile while maintaining financial discipline. In a competitive landscape, these guardrails help organizations quickly adapt to change, minimize waste, and maximize value delivery, creating a sustainable, strategically aligned path to growth and innovation.